Hello everyone, Shabir Ansari is here. Welcome to new Unclogging video. It would be a great pleasure for me if you consider to subscribe my channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site where we have found a longest overflow in the street. You can see this is whole street is packed with sewage. It's about 1000 feet long, maybe more than that which I have said, but this is huge. This packed the whole street. Viewers asked me in comment section that there is no proper system in the city of removal of garbage. So the answer is yes, it is. There is a proper system of for the removal and to dump the wastage. There is a proper company for that, which collect garbage from door to door most part of the city, and giant dustbins, bins or containers are also fixed at various points. From there the people can throw their garbage in their drums or containers, but it's all about the habits of the people that they throw garbage everywhere. I will show you a little example of that in this video, in the end of this video, that how people throw the garbage and the plastic everywhere. I am walking beside this overflow. You can watch, it's a very lengthy overflow and it's going to end at this point. This is huge overflow at the all of the road. So here is the point where sewer line is blocked, which is creating mess everywhere. You can watch that the staff is trying to unclog the sewer line with the help of steel bar, which is an old school method which is still working in our country. Here we go. The sewer line almost got functional. You will find trash and rubbish plastic with steel bar, as usually you see that. It's out now. You can watch. It's trash found from the sewer pipe, which is blocking the sewer line. People removing the rubbish from the steel bar, now putting it into a bag for disposing it off. Again working with steel bar. So if there is any other blockage, yes, there is other blockage right now. You can watch that.
हेलो वालेकुम सलाम शुक्र है मालूम चल गया भाई हुक्म छापर बड़ी है हो गई भाई 2 नंबर से लुमा की छाड़ थी ना मैं कपड़ा आया करना लगना ज्यादा अच्छा 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 हाँ जी आई ही काल उन्होंने हो जाती मैं उरली 2 करके आया वहाँ तो कहते नहीं पड़ रही है मैं वेख लेना उन्होंने हाँ मेन बंद है इतने मैं चालू करके ना फिर वेख
Now the sewer line got functional and this water is gone back into sewer line. Most of the water sewage has gone back and there is a huge trash in the street. This is all about the habits of the people, inhabitants which are living in the street. If they want their surroundings be cleaned, it will be cleaned. But if they don't want to do that, the surroundings will not clean, and system is not going to change. This is the main chalk which I showed before. It was packed with sewage, but now it's totally clear. There is a linked street with this sewer line. Our staff is working there because some little blockage was there in the linked street. From this point, sewer line was also blocked and is functional now. And sewage is working properly and the level of sewage is going down. Sewage in this manhole is also decreasing. Only this little overflow is remaining, which will be clear within no time. Now I am going to show you one of the example of habits of people. This is the habits of people. The trash is everywhere. It's throwing trash here, not throwing in dustbins, not throwing in giant bins, but they choose this place. Now the sewer line got functional, whole street is clear. There is no overflow portion is remaining. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.